friends, I don't normally come to you from my craft room today, but my husband is in the front yard with a chainsaw and making lots of noise, so I thought I needed to come up here and show you what I'm up to. Now, I was at the Walmart Garden Center the other day and I came across these cute little Terra Cotta saucers, and I thought, how cute would these be to make little trinket dishes for my friends, or a candle holder, or even a nice coaster for someone's desk. And of course, I love to make things for my bunco girls, so that's what this is going to be, just a little happy that I'm going to give them tomorrow night for Mother's Day. The other supplies I'm going to do is I'm going to paint them kind of a cream color. I didn't have any cream, so I'm just going to mix a little beige and white that I have, and it'll be, I just didn't want it stark white. Now I'm going to need a paintbrush, and then for the floral paper, I just picked up a roll of Dollar Tree gift wrap. I've got tons of floral paper, but I just thought this was so pretty, this Dollar Tree paper, and for $1 I'll have lots of uses out of that gift wrap. Now on top of the floral paper, I'm going to embellish it with their initials. I have an electric die cutter, so I just cut out some 2 by 2 inch initials. Now you certainly don't have to do that. You could just finish it off with some floral paper. You know, initial letters can be picked up at any craft store, or chances are you know somebody who has an electric die cutter machine that would cut you the letters out for little of nothing. Now you're also going to need some decoupage glue. I just happen to have the Martha Stewart I picked up at Tuesday morning, but any decoupage, the Mod Podge, is a wonderful product. So I'm going to go ahead and paint all 8 of my little saucers a cream color and let them dry. In a couple hours I'll come back and we'll be ready to decoupage our floral paper. Alright, it's been about 45 minutes. I have 2 coats on the top of my coasters, and now I'm working on the bottom. It is really easy to paint on terracotta. It takes the paint really well and it dries really quick. This is a really quick project. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these bottoms with a couple coats, and then we'll be ready to decoupage. Okay, my saucers are all dry now, front and back. I love the cream color, and then I love these circles I cut out. I just love that Dollar Tree gift wrap. The colors are so pretty and the flowers are just so feminine, but the 3-inch circle fits perfect in there. So if you have a 3-inch die, or you just, you know, find something that's 3 inches, trace it and cut it. So now we're ready to decoupage. And now some of you may want to finish it out just like this. You're going to take your decoupage glue, coat it really good top and bottom, and that's your last step. But since I want to personalize mine and make mine a little more water resistant with the initials on there, I'm going to put my vinyl initial down and then do the decoupage glue. Okay, I got the back side of them decoupaged. Look through my stash. I wanted to put some little felt dots or some felt squares or something on there. And you know, when you have stuff in your stash and you know you'll use it eventually one day, I found several of these little diamond adhesive felt squares. So I'm going to put 3 on each of those underneath, just to prevent the pottery from scratching whatever surface they set it on. While the rest of them are drying, I went ahead and picked mine up because I wanted to give you a close-up look. But there's the underneath and there's the top. But I just wanted to show you close up how incredibly cute these turned out. And it cost me right at $1 total to make these. So I hope you'll take this idea and maybe make some of these little coasters for some special friends in your life. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.